Good afternoon, sir. This is Dr. Jitendra Kole, Principal, Panchashil Shikshan Sanstha's Holiday in English Medium School, Kagal, District Kolhapur, Maharashtra. This school is situated in rural area of Kagal. I am working here as a principal since 2019. I am very happy and warmly welcome all of you in this prior school information videography for CBSE virtual inspection of school. First, I would like to welcome CBSE inspection committee member 1, Mr. Dhirendra Kumar Jha sir, Kendriya Vidyalay, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Welcome sir. And inspection committee member 2 is Mr. S.H. Amarnath sir, Kendriya Vidyalay, AFS Bamrauli, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Welcome sir. Now we will proceed in the school premises. This is our Holiday in English Medium School. This is our main gate. This is notice board for parents information point of view. Then we will see here our watchman cabin. Then we enter in the school premises. Good afternoon. This is watchman cabin. Here is sanitization, then temperature checking and register for registration every person. After registration, every person enter the school. Now we will move to see the boundary wall around the school building. This is our school garden. Come with me please. This is start boundary wall, pakka wall is there. This is north side boundary wall. Main gate. This is continuous boundary wall around the school. This is garden and toys area, play area is this there. Now we will move to continuous boundary wall view from this side. Now we will move to see the parking area. This is our parking area. All students, teachers park their vehicles in this premises. This is continuous boundary wall. And here is one another gate of our compound. This is plantation which is planted by our students, and this is 2 year back plantation. Now we will see these results. Then students are very happy to see this. Mr. Amar Salunke sir, our sport teacher, please introduce yourself sir.
Good afternoon sir. I am myself Amar Babara Salunke. I am a physical teacher. This two ground is there. This one is a volleyball court, and this one is a throw ball court, and after there is coco court.
Now we will see here from this is our open assembly area and open space. We will see here two grounds are there. One is little and one for girls and boys. Kabaddi ground is there. This is open theater is there for daily assembly, morning assembly we can conduct here. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a boys ground, kabaddi ground, and this one is girls kabaddi ground. This is a big and this is a small ground.
This is front side view of our school building. This is botanical garden which is maintained by students. This is tulsi plants. This is a ramp for CWSN students. This is wheelchair area. This is main corridor. I once again welcome all of you. This is reception area. No mask, no entry. This is Safa ma'am, receptionist here. Please introduce yourself, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Holiday English Medium School.
This is goddess of education, Saraswati. Now we went to downside. This is open assembly area. This is way to library. Now we will enter in the library. This is the library section. These are the quotations for the knowledge point of view. This is the instruction of do not use mobile phones. This is the newspaper stand, local papers, then Times of India English papers are there, then sitting arrangement for reading the newspapers. Swami Vivekananda quotations are here, then love of reading here, then S.R. Ranganathan formula about library. Then we proceed inside the library. Mrs. Pawar ma'am, librarian.
Welcome, sir. My name is Padmasri Ananda Pawar, MD.
Okay ma'am, thank you. This is the magazines for reading purpose of you. Then we can see here CCTV camera for observation. Marathi books are there. We have 2033 books. Then positive thinking books, Shivaji Maharaj books. Then children's books are there. Then science books are there. Then once again children's books are there. Then a reference book also we are here seeing. Hindi fixation books. Then we have a computer system and internet system. For knowledge point of view, students use his computer. These are registers, teacher issue book, class wise, student book registers, 6th standard, 5th standard, 4th standard student register books are there. Then library accession registers 1 and 2, library books information file is here. Now we go this side. This is a reading room section. This is area of For the purpose of reading, student take books and they sit here and keep silence is the instructions. Now we will move to science laboratory. Some information charts are there. Keep silence instruction is here. Human digestive system, Albert Einstein, quotations. Now we enter our lab. This is our science laboratory. He is Mr. Mahesh Kumar Teli sir, science teacher. Please give your introduction and some information of our laboratory.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
This is our science laboratory. I am Mr. Mahesh Kumar Teli, a science teacher and head of science department. I would like to introduce my lab. You can see here, this is the lab safety rules, which are very important. You can see the fire extinguisher we use in the emergency cases. Now we will move toward the biology section. You can see here our biology section, where the various models of the DNAs and RNAs are kept, paramecium, buccal, then various specimens of the animals and some insects. Here human eye, human brain, human lung and respiratory system, digestive system. Here you can see the water system we have kept. When the students will complete the experiment, they can wash their hands over there. These are the microscopes which they can utilize to observe the microorganism. Here you can see the glass apparatus which are useful for the chemistry experiments, such as round bottom flask, then conical flask, test tubes, gas jar, then measuring cylinder. You can see also the electronic weigh balance, also analog weigh balance. This system we have made where the students actually perform the experiment. These are some of the phenolphthalein, litmus solution, universal indicator and test tubes where the students conduct the experiments. Now this side you can see, these are the chemicals which are in the liquid form. These are the chemicals in the powder form which students use when they require. Now we will move toward the wall that we have made where students can use it for the knowledge purpose. They can increase the knowledge. Various charts such as human skeleton, structural organization of cell, plant cell, animal cell. We have made the arrangement so that students can utilize it. You can see here this system we have made for the experiment that they conduct for heat related experiment we conduct here. You can see this system. We are conducting heat related experiments. Now we move toward our last section. This is the physics section, where you can see the ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer and also the ohms law apparatus. You can also see the glass related experiments such as glass prism, then glass slab, lenses, thermometer and also you can see the stopwatch, rheostat, then thermometer, electroscope and wooden scale that we require. Here you can see the journal that students have completed. This is of standard 9. See the students that have completed the experiments. This is for standard 9, this is for standard 10 and this one is they have maintained the registers such as permanent science register. Next one, non-permanent science material register. You can also see science club register and the last one, science lab visiting register that we maintain in lab. Thank you.
Okay, thank you sir. Now we will move to next classroom. This is internal view of corridor. We can see here some informative charts, the journey of our national flag, then next is Prime Minister of India, then President of India. Then we will move to next classroom. This is grade 1. Good afternoon ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Shanti Asgaonkar, and I am the class teacher of Standard 1. I teach English. And now online session is going on. We teach everything
On mobile.
by online.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now we will went to grade 2nd. She is Priyanka Kadam, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
This classroom of second standard. I am class teacher of this class. Myself, Kadam Priya Raju. I teach EVS for this course. Thank you.
Each and every class we use this LCD projector for teaching purpose. Now online teaching is going on. Thank you, teacher. Now we will move to next grade, grade number 3. This is grade 3. He is Mr. Desai sir, Hindi teacher and grade 3 class teacher. Please introduce.
Myself, Desai Sunil Nogate. I teach 3rd to 6th standard Hindi subject. Thank you.
Here also LCD projector is there and teachers use this for understanding purpose these instruments. Thank you, sir. Now we enter in the main corridor. This corridor we are using for internal activity. Now rainy seasons are there. In that time we use this for assembly area. This is blue house activity. Then Constitution of India, yellow house activities, some greenhouse activities are here. Smart thoughts, then red house activities are here. Some instructions which is given by CBSE, keep distance in this COVID pandemic situations. Now next class, grade 4th. Hello ma'am. Good afternoon. She is Mrs. Mari ma'am.
Myself, Mrs. Priyanka, class teacher of 4th standard, and I am teaching maths.
LCD projector built up here for teaching purpose. Thank you, madam. Now we will move to next classroom. Grade 5th is there. Some information charts are there. Notice board. Indian pledge. Grade 5th. We enter here.
Good morning, sir.
Wait.
Teacher of science.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Miss, please introduce yourself.
Yes, I am teacher of science and I am teaching science to the 5th standard students.
Mr. Sutar, sir.
I am Sutar Gurli.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Now we will move to our staff room. This is drinking water session. Some quotations are there for knowledge point of view. Then we enter here. This is staff room, sitting arrangement over here. Now we will move to next classroom, computer room. This is battery backup area. This is our computer room. Now we enter our computer room. This is she is Mrs. Paul ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Please,
sir.
good afternoon ma'am. Please introduce yourself and our library information.
Thank you, sir, for giving me such opportunity. Myself, Rupali Prakash Ford. I have completed BCA graduation in computer. I am working as a computer teacher. I am teaching for 1st to 10th standard. I will now introduce computer lab, sir. We have 26 computers. I have mentioned computer numbers also.
Okay.
This way. Now I will tell you about this chart. How computers develop and change. Millions of us rely on computers we use for daily basis. They are essential tool in the workplace and sometimes you are likely to see in everyone's home. But have you ever wondered how they will evolve over the years? Today's info will take you on a trip back in time. How computers have developed, sir. For that sake, to understand for students, I had pasted this chart, sir.
Okay.
Now, I have pasted here keyboard chart. To understand small kids also I am teaching for them. Toggle keys, yellow pasted colors, caps lock, scroll lock, num lock. Then letters keys are our alphabets. This QWERT, QWERTY keyboard. Then number keys, num lock that is in color red color. Then function keys upside. We have total 12 keys, function keys upside. Then arrow keys here downside. To understand for students, this way also we have some computers, sir. I have kept the stools also to sit for sitting students purpose.
Okay, thank you ma'am.
We have projector for practical purpose to teach students. We have headphones, printer, router, speaker.
Good internet connectivity is there.
Yes, good internet connectivity also we have, sir. To teach students, we have arranged tools. Students will sit backside and they will learn from this projector, a big screen. In this way, we will take practicals.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Now these days what happened, we such as COVID pandemic situation is
Yes, sir.
going on. So all students in their homes and your online teaching is going on
Yes,
now. So
Through Zoom application, we take the online practicals also and I teach from Zoom application only, sir.
good.
Now I will show you some files, sir. I have recorded some files. Computer lab visiting register,
Okay.
computer record register,
Okay.
annual planning of computer. This way I have maintained some annual planning
Okay.
from 1st to 10th standard. Student class wise list. Totally 10 classes are there. I am teaching 1st standard, 2nd standard, 3rd standard. In this way, up till 10th standard I have maintained the records. Then attendance register of computer also. Okay, in this way I will keep the records.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Now let us, we went to next classroom. This is our corridor. There is one fire extinguisher are there. One is here. This type of 7 fire extinguishers we have. Then we go to grade 6. We enter the 6th classroom. She is Mrs. Shubhangi Gaikwad ma'am, Marathi teachers. Please introduce yourself, ma'am.
Myself, Mrs. Shubhangi Amol Gaikwad, class teacher of 6th standard. My subject is Marathi.
Okay, ma'am. Now we will move to next classroom. In this corridor, we see here some informative charts. APJ Abdul Kalam, then Albert Einstein. Grade 9th is here. We enter 9th classroom. Namaste, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. He is Mr. Mahesh Kumar Teli, sir. Please introduce yourself.
I am Mr. Mahesh Kumar Teli, class teacher of grade 9. My subject is science.
Okay, thank you, sir. This is inbuilt LCD projector for teaching purpose. Now we will move to next classroom. Grade 7 is there. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is
He is Mr. Anil English, sir. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Anil Gray. I am the class teacher of grade 7 and my teaching subject is English. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Now we will move to next classroom. Language room. We have Wi-Fi system inbuilt here. Then we enter in our language lab.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. He is Mr.
My name is Balram Sadashiv Kamle. I teach Hindi subject. This is a club register Marathi Hindi English.
Okay, thank you, sir. This is a computer laptop. In this language lab, children use this with microphone is there, with internet. They access all these things. Now we will move to next grade. This is 8th standard grade.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Here is Mr. Sanjay Ghadge, sir. Please
Good afternoon,
introduce.
sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Mr. Sanjay Ghadge. I teach social science subject. I am the class teacher of 8th standard. Currently, we are taking online classes using Zoom.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Now we will move to next classroom. In this corridor, we see here Andre Ampere. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkatramana. Maths lab. We enter here. This is our maths lab. Is Mr. Patil sir, mathematics teacher. Please introduce this instrument, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My subject is maths, and this is our maths lab. And all these are instruments of maths to teach how to teach easily maths. All these are here. All these are 3D objects. 3D objects, and here these are all geometrical instruments which we use to how to construct or how to draw easily angle by using this compass, and here by scale to draw how to draw line and angles also to use by using protractor.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Here is some
Here
mathematics.
it is a maths register, maths lab register, visiting register, and here maths club register.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Now we will move to next classroom. This is sports room. He is Mr. Amar Salanke, sir. Please introduce, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
This is sports room. This is a sports activities there. This is yoga activities. This is a camp. Scout guide camp is there. Here athletics event is there. So many are there. Indian heroes stars. This is a chart of cricket ground. This Olympic logos. This kabaddi board is. Here is a general championship of schools trophy. This is a table tennis. These are sports equipment. One is badminton. Second is ball event. This cricket department. The indoor is here. There is carom and chess. Then athletics equipment here. And upper is cricket equipment. And most important school event is hurdles.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Now we will move to next classroom. Here is next classroom is drawing room. Art and craft room is here. We enter our art and craft room. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
This is different types of
Please show to us, ma'am, how our students.
Here, sir, this is foil paper.
Okay.
From foil papers made this jewelry. This is coffee. Students made by coffee.
Good.
Different types of art.
Huh.
Here also this is folder. Inside so many things are there.
Very
In
nice.
your pocket. This is folder. Next waste paper from made these flowers.
Okay.
Here this wall piece.
Okay.
And this जो हम फेंक देते हैं कुंदन और
Okay.
इससे ये
Very
कार्ड
nice.
बनाया है।
Very nice.
और यहाँ जो मूंगफली है उसकी इससे ये बना है।
Okay.
This is coffee art.
These are all art integration projects.
This is calendar paper from this rocket.
Okay. 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 Okay.
This is our traditional wall painting here.
Okay.
And this is throughout jeans part of jeans.
Okay.
And made this craft. And here a register our drawing.
Drawing registers.
Register.
Okay.
And here this blackboard that is mandala art.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Now we will move to next classroom. This is standard 10th grade 10th is here. We enter in this class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. He is Mr. Parshuram Kamble, sir.
My name is Parshuram Sadashiv Kamble, class teacher of 10th standard. My subject is Hindi.
Okay, sir. This classroom is inbuilt LCD projector. Smart classroom is here. We can use for teaching purpose. Thank you, sir. Now we will move to next room. Here in this corridor CCTV footage are there. Then one another fire extinguisher here for safety purpose. Here is one notice board. This is ladies staff toilet. We enter in this staff classroom. Staff washroom is here. This is commode system. This is urinal. This is washroom. This is toilet. One another these two washrooms, one commode system here, wash basins and urinal systems are here. Now we will move to now this is the way to go to ground floor. In this staircase we use for coming to this section. This is boys toilet. Washroom, toilets. This is wash basins. Now we will see the next washroom. Here is CCTV camera. Way to girls toilet. Here is another board. Here is 3 toilets. Okay. Here is urinals. One separate bathroom is here for ladies. Now we will vent. In this premises, one fire extinguisher we inbuilt here. This is fire extinguisher. This is notice board for this nursery section children's. Here are some cartoons, some beautiful drawings, paintings are here for children's education purpose. They are happy in this corridor. This is nursery section. We enter in this nursery section. We use here so many toys, so many drawings. This is smart classroom, and students were very happy to see this in this room. Now we will move to next classroom. This is LKG A section, B section. We enter in this A section. In this room we can see so many beautiful view. We can see this beautiful drawing and paintings in this room. So students are very happy. Now we will move to next classroom. In this corridor some vegetable pictures and peacock, crow, swan, cocks, pigeon, parrot. These are the paintings. Now we enter UKG. B section is there, A section is there. This is A section. This room is very spacious for children. These are teachers right here and teach to that students. Now we will move to next classroom. This is B section. Here with inbuilt our Wi-Fi system is there. Teachers use this for online sessions. Now animals: zebra, lion, elephant, cheetah, bear, deer. Here is our music room. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Namaskar.
Mr. Sutas sir is our music teacher. Please give some words for us.
Thank you.
No, no.
Sutta Shiva
sir. It's very nice. Now we will move to next classroom. This is counselor room. Here sit our counselors and they counseling to them every time for more classes, more courses, and some internet used some lectures they can use, and they motivate to our students. Now we will move to next classroom. In this corridor, custard apple, pineapple, then watermelon, mango, grape, banana, apple. These are the flowers: sunflower, jasmine, show flowers, rose, champa and lotus. Now we will move to first aid room. This is our first aid room. We enter here. This is Mr. Dr. Nadab sir. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Dr. Salim Nadab. I am the medical officer of this CBSE Holiday English Medium School. Here are some tablets are there. Iron, folic acid, antacids, analgesic, first primary series are also available. There are examination bed is also there.
Okay.
For emergency patient.
Okay. No, sir. Thank you, sir. Now we will move to next classroom. This is ladies room. Now we can see here our school auditorium. Here is we arrange some internal activities. Parents, teachers meet. We conduct here, and some small programs of our children we conduct here. This is our auditorium room. This is Kolhapur Maharaja, Shahu Maharaja. Then this is fire extinguisher, and some charts are here. This is map of India. This is goddess Saraswati. This is map of Maharashtra state, and now we can see here our great Indians. This is RO filter water. RO system is there, and this is a water cooler we have inbuilt here for pure drinking water. Now this is stationery room. Now we can move to next room. This is a record room. CCTV camera is here. Timing watch. Then we enter here in record room. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, welcome to our record room. My name is Ranjit Nagargoje, sir. So we'll have a short introduction of our records. So first of all, I will introduce these files. These are last academic year's files, 2020 and 2021. These are the current year's record files. For admission file, here admission forms of the students who have stored. Then salary file, affiliation extension file, and here affiliation file means last time we have got the affiliation, so it is of that. Then outward file, inward file. These are the teachers master, teachers documents file, teachers service books are there. These are the purchase registers of all subjects. Then this is the general register, main register of the school. Then fee register, dates of register, notice register. These are the faculty advertisement file, leave application. Then mark sheet registrations of students. Then these are the living certificate book. These are the students health cards, and these are the students counseling and psychotherapy files. Okay, and here very important certificates. This is government NOC, then government of Maharashtra recognition letter 1 to 10, then this is the DU certificate, then drinking water and sanitary certificate, then building safety certificate, this one,
Show properly.
fire safety certificate, this is ECS salary bank certificate, safe drinking water letter of Kagal Nagar Palika, here it is, then land certificate of Tahsildar, here it is, then this is audit report, and last one PF record letter. Okay, then here these are some papers of last academic year, periodic test, term 1, term 2, these are the papers. Again here internal assessment of subjects, means 10 standards files are there, records, their projects are there, and here 9 standard record is there, with files and some projects. Okay, thank you.
You mentioned this teacher file.
This is a teacher
Contract file is there.
file. Okay, and this is the school management committee.
Okay.
This is the notice file of the school.
Okay.
Then students list and fee details.
Okay.
Leave application.
Okay.
And these are the outward. Means these files are of last academic year.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we will move to our administrative office. Here is we enter. Good afternoon, sir. This is our staff. Thank you, sir. Now we will move to next room. This is our chairman cabin. We enter here in chairman cabin. Hello, sir. He is Mr. Mujahid Kolhapure, sir, SMC chairman. In this room we have CCTV cameras. Now we will move to here. Here is some notice boards, some plants are there, then complaint box is here for the children and parents. Then good afternoon all of you. Now we are making this video for the purpose of extension appellation inspection. This is session of teachers introduction. I will give my information myself, Dr. Jitendra Kole, principal of Holiday English Medium School. Please, sir, introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mr. Sanjay Ghatige. I have completed my BA B.Ed degree. I am working here as social science teacher.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Myself, Mrs. Monia Desai. I have completed my GD Art in Abhinav Kala Mahavidyalaya, Pune. I teach here drawing and craft subject. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ranjit Nagargoje. I am working as a clerk in this school. My qualification is B. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself Shanti Asgaonkar. I completed my BA B.Ed and I am teaching English.
Good afternoon. Myself Mrs. Rupali Prakash Kaur. I have completed BCA. I am working as a computer teacher.
Good afternoon. Myself Mrs. Shafa Mujawar and I am working as a chefmate in Holiday English Medium School and I am a graduate.
Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Samir Nada. I am a medical officer. He is my colleague Mayuri A.N.M.
Your name? Yes.
Good afternoon. My name is Shubhanti Amulgaikar. My subject is Kannada. I have completed MBA.
Desai, sir.
Good afternoon. Myself Desai Sunil Navati. My qualification is MBA. I teach 36 standard Hindi. Thank you.
Sutar, sir. be seated. Yes sir, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Amar Babra Songi. I completed BA BPA. I teach physical subject.
Good afternoon. My name is Manish Kumar Sadashiv Reddy. My educational qualification is BSc Trade and my subject for teaching is science.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon. Myself, Padmashri Ananda Pawar, librarian, Eagle Beat.
Be seated. Yes sir, please.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Anil Sairendra Vimre. My education qualification is BA years and my teaching subject is English. Thank you.
Please.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Prashant Sadashiv Kamle. I teach Hindi subject. My qualification is MA Hindi.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sridhar Sudhar. I am music teacher and संगीत विशारद अलंकारपूर्ण आंतरमहाविद्यालय मंडल मुंबई.
Okay. Is it? You please.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Prayakar Hemant Pondra. My qualification is BCom. I work here as a PA.
Okay. Thank you all of you, and in these sessions you help this day, and we make this video copy very nice. Thank you all of you. And in the end, here is principal cabin. Now we enter in the principal cabin. This is my cabin. As a principal, I work from here. This is our Constitution of India, Fit India School Certificate. Last year we got it. Our mission, our school vision. This is Fit India Certificate, and this is sitting arrangement of principal. We got some trophies from our children's. Then computer system with well internet facility, printer are there. Every circulars we got here, read it and we work for that. This is another trophy on Republic Day of India. Then Fit India School Certificate, management body, then school management committee. Here is our teaching staff details, and in the end we conclude here. Our teaching and non-teaching staff 20, 4 labs, 1 sports ground, small and large classroom 30. Total area of our school 700 square meter, playground 5,610 square meter, 1 auditorium, school building 1, and art integration room 1. Thank you so much.